So hey guys, what's up? It's your host Mr. Master, and I'm back with a new music video like always. Once again guys, so recently I made a video on how to get that Triarm TV on the Android device. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get that Triarm TV on Amazon Fire Stick. So let's begin. So first what you need to do is just go ahead to your setting, then to go ahead to your device, and once you're there, just go ahead to your developer option, and here just select the apps from the unknown sources and make sure that you have turned it on. So once you have turned it on, now we are able to install this app directly, like we used to do in our Android device. You need is a downloader. So what you need to do, just go ahead to the search and search for downloader, and once you're there, just click on this orange one and just go ahead and just download this up. So once you have downloaded this guys, what you need to do is just go ahead and open this up, and in the open bar it will ask for the address. So just write the address what I'm writing, #TTTV. Yeah, that's it. Once you're there, it will automatically just download the file that is nothing but our Triarm TV, and just go ahead and install this up. And once you're there, if you want, you could just go ahead and delete the APK, and rest is everything the same. So that's it. So once you have done with this guys, now what you need to do is now just go ahead and just write this URL which I'm showing you up, that is bit.ly mx5, and it will just download another file that is nothing but our MX player itself. So just go ahead and just do the same. So once you have installed the Triarm TV and the MX player, go ahead now to your apps, and here you will find the app that is Triarm TV. Just go ahead and open it up. So once you're there, just go ahead and open this up, and everything it will just show you the same interface. In this case, what you need to do is now just go ahead and select the MX player which we have downloaded, and yeah, rest is it. Once you're done with this guys, you're ready to go, and everything is the same. Good news for those who are waiting for this app. So yeah, boom, that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video is really helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Till then, bye guys, your host Mr. Master signing out.